What's the meaning of ascertainment? Ascertainment. Ascertainment.
Ascertainment. Ascertainment. Ascertainment refers to the act of determining or establishing something with certainty. It involves the process of verifying or confirming a fact or information. The end result of ascertainment is a clear and definite understanding or knowledge of a particular subject matter or issue. This understanding is based on evidence, observation, or investigation. Ascertainment can be used in various fields such as research, law, medicine, and finance to ensure reliable and accurate information. Overall, ascertainment emphasizes the importance of obtaining accurate and valid information for decision-making and problem-solving purposes.